Hey everyone, welcome to the first edition of Tips and Tricks with Lighthouse AI Academy. The first tip is about prompt weights. When we put in the prompt, every word has a weight of 100%. So each word is as important as the next one. So what if we want to emphasize a word or put more weight on one word? Let's check it out. So I prepared a workflow with 2K samplers. So we will be getting out two images. And this is the prompt for the first picture, and this is the prompt for the second one. We will be working with SDXL, Stable Diffusion Model, Reality's Edge XL5, because prompt weighting works just for 1.5 and SDXL Stable Diffusion models. If you're working with Flux, the prompt weighing doesn't work. So let's create two images, and those are going to be the same. And the first case sampler and the second one, so they're the same. They have the same seed, they have the same settings, so images are identical. So what if we want to have more gems, diamonds, and crystals on the image? We can do that by selecting our words and then pressing Control or Command if you're on Mac and up arrow. And that's how we put more weight on those words. We can go pretty high, 1.4, 1.5. So that means that those three words will have a weight of 150%. So they will be a bit more important than all the others. Now let's see what happens when we push the run button. So the first image will stay the same, but the second one will change a bit. So as we can see, we have a bit more of gems and crystals in the image. We can also go down. So let's select everything again and press Control or Command and down arrow button. And we will set those words to have a very, very low weight of 1.2. So only 20% comparing to other images. Now let's do run. And the next image should have a less gems and crystals. The changes are very subtle. Wouldn't say it has less. Oh, it does have. If you see right here, the original image has a bit more gems. So as always, this is a thing of experiments. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But here it is how you can put more emphasis on specific words in your prompt. And this is called prompt weighting. Weighing. Tip number 2. If we want to copy a node, we can select it, press Control or Command C and Control V, and we get the same node with the same settings, but we need to connect it manually. But if we press Control C and then Control Shift and V, we get all the inputs, the same inputs. Of course, outputs, we have to do them manually. And there it is. And the third tip is, if we want to load an image, we can do this by double click on canvas and put in load image. And here's our image. We can choose file for upload. And we have it right here. But if we find a nice image on web, I will pick this one because it's a dragon from my home city of Ljubljana, and it's pretty impressive. We can copy image and simply press Ctrl or Command V, and we get the node with our selected image. This is it for today's session, tips and tricks with Lighthouse AI Academy. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.